Hi, welcome back to Jazz Kitchen. Tonight I'm cooking prawns char kuay teow. It's a stir-fried prawns with flat rice noodles. Okay, so the ingredients that I have tonight, the main ingredient is the noodle, the flat rice noodle. This is a fresh rice noodle that I bought from a Chinese supermarket. So it looks like this. I bought an extra packet. Okay. If you go to any local Chinese supermarket, they will have them on the shelf. And also I have a chili paste. It's called chili bowl in Malaysia. But I use the Korean chili paste because I find that Korean chili paste is very spicy. That's what I liked. That's the chili paste. But you can use any type of chili paste. And I use 350 grams of fresh prawns. I use about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. You don't have to use it all up. And I also cut finely fresh chives and fresh bean sprout. To garnish it, after you cook everything, you put the fried onion. And also with the noodles, sorry, I forgot to put, is I put 3 eggs that I've already beaten it up. Okay, with the sauces, I'm using light soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, and the thick caramel soy sauce. The caramel soy sauce, you can buy it as well in the Chinese grocery supermarket. And just salt and white pepper. Okay, to start off with, you turn on the wok. I'm using a wok, guys. You can use any type of wok you like. Now in Malaysia, they normally use the cockle to cook the char kuay teow, but I couldn't find it today, so I've decided just to cook with the prawns. And this recipe comes from my auntie from Malaysia. I chatted with her last night on WhatsApp, and I just asked, do you know how to make kuay teow? And she gave me the recipe, so I thought today I'm going to try her recipe. So you just use oil, any type of oil. I'm using olive oil, maybe about 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil. Okay, she told me to fry the chive first, just to get the flavor of the chive. So just gonna cook a little bit of the chive, and then I'm gonna chuck up the chive after that. Okay, so I'm just gonna fry the chive first. Hope that's hot enough. Oh, yeah. Okay. Just gonna put on here. I'm going to leave some chive there, that's fine. Just going to add another little bit more oil. I don't think that's enough. Okay. Alright, first you fry the garlic. And then I add the chili paste, maybe 1 teaspoon. Or actually 1 teaspoon of the chili paste. Quickly fry them. Oh, chili paste and garlic smells amazing. And then you fry quickly the prawns. Okay, so now while I'm waiting for the prawns to cook a little bit, I'm just going to quickly put the sauce. So put the thick caramel soy sauce, maybe about 1.5 tablespoons. Light soy sauce, maybe about 2 tablespoons. Indonesian sweet soy sauce, ketchup manis. Maybe 1 tablespoon of that. Okay. I'm just gonna mix it all up. The prawn smells really nice. I can't wait to eat them myself. Oh gosh. All right. I remember when I was a little girl, my mom, we used to go to eat on the roadside, Char Kuay Teow, as a little girl. Man, it was probably about 20 cents then. I don't know how much is it now, but gosh. Okay, it looks like the prawns is nearly cooked. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add in the noodles. Yeah. Kuay Teow noodles. Fry them. Oh my gosh, the smell is killing me. Okay. Okay, while I'm waiting for that, I'm just gonna add the sauce. Make sure you stir it because the caramel soy sauce is very sticky. Bit by bit. Okay, I'm just gonna add the white pepper. Just gonna fry it again. Stir it all up. I'm just gonna add more chives. And I'm gonna add the bean sprout. Keep on frying it. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it for a while to let all the ingredient all suck through to all the noodles, the prawns, everything else. But what you can do is you can just taste it whether there's enough salt or you need more sauce to add on it. Tastes so good. At this stage, I don't need to add anything else. Just gonna make it a little bit okay. Now it looks, I left it longer than 2-3 minutes, guys. I put it about maybe 3 to 5 minutes. But while the 3 to 5 minutes, I keep on stirring it, yeah, so it doesn't get stuck everywhere on the wok. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it aside here. Just gonna add the eggs on the side. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the noodle on top of the egg and let it cook about 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it like that for 1 or 2 minutes. All right, now what? Just gonna stir it. Ooh, all the flavor, it's all going into my nose, and I'm really quite excited to try this noodle. Oh, looks so good. Thank you, Tante Del, for the recipe. Okay. What I'm going to do, I might add more bean sprout and a little bit more sauce to have the color back again. Okay. Yeah, I think it's all cooked. So what you do, turn it off. Pick up the... Okay, looks like the char kway teow is ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the garnish, the fried onion. Just a little bit. Okay, and then now is to try them. Now, when you eat char kway teow, you can add more chili if you like. I normally put fresh chili after this, but that's all your choice. If you don't like the chili paste, you can just take it off. So I'm just gonna try them. It's really, really nice. Now, yes, watch my YouTube channel for the char kway teow quick and easy recipe. Subscribe it, and if you enjoy the video, don't forget to press like. Thank you. Bye.